herbal, all natural. Means it's organic, it's all herbal. If it's herbal, it's all natural. Because it's organic. Because it's organic, it's all, okay, do you follow? Extensive research, clinical studies. When I say clinical, it means it's proven to human being before it is, it's tested to human before it's make its way to the market. Okay, so please don't ask me who are those first people who tested it, huh? They're still okay, don't worry. Okay, by the way, food supplement and this one. Aura, can you read with me? Again? Oxygen? Okay, what is that? ORAC value. ORAC value is basically a measurement of how powerful a product is to help your health. So when you take a product, most of our scientists and herbalists, they measure the ORAC. Anything, the food you eat, you go outside there, any supplements that you drink, everything has ORAC value. Most of our products, all of our products have very high ORAC value, okay? So basically this is our manufacturer, okay? They are $1 billion in a year company, okay? Now, why do we cater health products? Do you agree that health is wealth? Yes. Okay, who amongst you who wants to become sick? Okay, so what are you doing for you not to become sick? Proper diet, proper rest, correct? You take care of your health, you exercise. Who amongst you who knows gym? Gym. Who have seen someone who's doing the workout? Or you hear something? When was the last time you did your activity? Exercise and all? No? Okay. Last year? So why do you think our generation now health is very we're more aware of health? Because in our generation now, there's a lot of sicknesses that we never heard of in the last 10 years. Do you agree? Remember before we have foot and mouth disease? Now we have foot and mouth and hand disease. Right? Remember we have SARS before? Now we have MERS. Guys, just quick story. When I started, and then I was sitting there, bro, and they said, 1 million. Awkward and weird, right? When I realized after a while, it's good to always say 1 million. Because the more you say million, the more million are counting, right? Yes. And then when you clap, you believe that when you're clapping, it's positive. Yes. You're releasing negative energy, right? Yes. Now when you don't clap and you're inside the room, those negative energy will come to you. Do you like that? Okay, let's try. 1 million! Oh, see, everybody's clapping now, huh? I don't want negative. 2 million! Still. 3 million! Yeah, like that. Okay. When I say millions and millions of clap! Mr. DJ! Yan yung pamalakpak nyo! Okay. You can now sit down. Thank you. How are you? Good. Very good. My job is to explain how we can make money in this business. Because I know all of us wants.
She's coming now. She's coming now. Then natin si Apna.
Yeah.
The mindset is not like that. Okay.